All right, so now we're going to be evaluating trig functions at certain angles. So for example, what is sine of pi over 3? So we are going to draw a triangle in our coordinate grid. So we need to think, what quadrant is pi over 3 in? Pi over 3 is in the first quadrant, and if you think about converting pi over 3 into degrees, that's 60 degrees. So that would make this angle up here 30 degrees, and this is a special right triangle. So we can label the sides of our triangle. Across from 30 is 1, across from 60 is root 3, and across from 90 is 2. Well, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so the side opposite of 60 is root 3, and your hypotenuse is 2. So root 3 over 2 is your final answer. Next one, let's do cosine of 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3 is in the second quadrant. This is 120 degrees, and this would make this 60 degrees. So here's 30 degrees. Across from the 30 is 1, except it's not 1, it's negative 1. Across from the 60 is root 3, and across from the 90 is 2. So when we do cosine of 2 pi over 3, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's negative 1 over 2. Which makes sense because if you think about all students take calculus, in the second quadrant only sine is positive. So it makes sense that for cosine in the second quadrant we end up with a negative answer. Next one, tangent of 4 pi over 3. Tangent of 4 pi over 3. First we want to draw our triangle. Which quadrant is 4 pi over 3 in? Well, to get from here to here would be 3 pi over 3, so we have one more. So in the third quadrant, this would be 60 degrees. This would be 30 degrees. And my phone's ringing. Across from the 60 is root 3, but it's negative root 3. Across from 30 is 1, but it's negative 1. And across from the 90 is 2. So we're trying to find tangent of 4 pi over 3, which would be opposite over adjacent. Negative root 3 over negative 1, which simplifies to positive root 3. Which again, thinking about all students take calculus, tangent is positive in the third quadrant. So our answer makes sense.